Hello, Mr. Joshi.
Oh,
Yeah, you got fitment with our ARC suspension on your latest new Ertiga.
yes, yes.
So, how do you feel about the performance right now? What you have got with the trials? What you have done right now?
Okay, so I'm Manoj Joshi. I'm working as a structural engineer in Ratnagiri. So I have that new car. I had that new car named Ertiga, Arena, and I was driving through the car since last 9 months, but I have never satisfied because of its suspension. It was giving a pendulum-like feeling, and my all family members were having travel sickness. They are going to vomit, and they eagerly told me, Papa, what is this happening? We have not entered such type of car in last 20 years. What you have taken? We will not enter in this car if the car will give such type of performance. So I got confused, and then I decided to sell out my that car due to this suspension problem. I was also having my backache problems, and my arms were paining due to this. I don't know what is yes, steering movements, and it was very difficult to control. The car going speedily on the speed breaker, it gave a very bad feeling and unsafe feeling in the car. So I decided to sell my car and go for new option, just like hire Innova or that thing. But fortunately, I met this person, Mr. Pawar, at Ichilganji, Arc Suspension. They talked with me. I told them my all problems regarding suspension and what I am getting, what I am expecting, and what I am getting the comfort from point of view. So he told me, you will get 100% suspension, 100% satisfaction and safety after fitting of our this type of suspension. I allotted the job. He has done the job within time, and after that, I was with trial for him. I was sitting at the last end in the car, and I can now say that the car is definitely giving suspension effect, comfort effect as good as old Innova. I am very satisfied. It is also stable in turning, braking. Then I took front seat. I drive it, and I also then found it that braking is very easier, very comfortable, and the car was not uh, losing the grip from road. I am very happy. I am really very happy, and it is at a marginal cost. He has done very much things. I definitely wish him best luck, success, and power. I can say power, that perfect application with authentic research. Thank you.